MoneyCraft Reloaded review. Hi everyone, my name is Elizabeth. In this video I will review MoneyCraft Reloaded. I will show you inside what you get. I will tell you my opinion and whether or not it will help you to make money online. If you like what you see, please subscribe and like my channel. What is MoneyCraft Reloaded? MoneyCraft Reloaded is an app and tool to make money by flipping digital video games for a profit. In other words, buying low and selling high. Anyone can do it, regardless of their background or skill set. No website and no prior experience with technology, writing, or marketing presentations is required. So how does it work? With the MoneyCraft app, you will find digital video games which you can buy for low prices on different websites. Then you take the digital keys of the video games and relist them on a secret online marketplace to sell these video games. I will show you what the vendor says about the app and the flipping of video games. As you see, he says it's 100% beginner friendly. It's a perfect side hustle or to replace a full-time income. Untapped and unsaturated. It isn't like anything else you have seen. Anyone can do this right out. Do this from a laptop anywhere in the world. And they say, start today. Our students see results in as soon as 24 hours. As you can see, the vendor says that there are 3 simple steps. Step 1, find. Step 2, flip. Step 3, profit. And they say it's the easiest and fastest way to make money online. No website, no email list or autoresponder required, or your own product, no e-commerce store, no paying for ads, no blogging, no building a brand, no posting in forums, not becoming an authority, etc. And the vendor also mentions the information about the app. There's an over-the-shoulder training. There's a case study. And they mention 5 great reasons why you need to grab the MoneyCraft Reloaded. And it's fun. Anyway, I have bought the MoneyCraft Reloaded app and their training to see if you can really make money from it. The total costs for 3 programs, the basic, the pro, and the training package were in total $361 US. So, can you make money from it? Yes and no. Yes, you can make money from it, but the margins are very low. My experience is that you can earn $3 to $10 US gross profit, sometimes a bit more, by selling a game, but you will also need to pay for fees for selling the games, which are also some dollars. So the net profit per game is only some dollars. Initially, I spent about $140 US on buying video games, and I sold them on the secret marketplace. To sell a video game quickly, it is important that your price is one of the lowest or the lowest for that video game on that secret marketplace. My net profit was about 10 to 12% each time, but they mention a net profit of 15 to 20% in their training. However, I noticed that after reinvesting my earnings by buying new games, the profit increased and became more than 12%. But although most of my games were sold within some days or weeks, there are some which were not sold after months. So, can you make money with the app? Yes, you can. You can certainly make some dollars profit. But do I recommend to buy the app? No. I am not an affiliate for the vendor because I think that the margins are too low to make a good profit. I think that you will need to buy and sell many video games, probably thousands, to increase the chance to make a good profit. This means that you need to invest thousands of dollars with the risk that not all games will be sold and that you will not make a profit at the end of the day. I don't want to take that risk. So it's up to you. If you want to take that risk, please go ahead. Please note that these are my opinions and other persons may have different opinions about the MoneyCraft Reloaded app. My opinions are based on my own personal experience and research. I will test more products to see if you can earn money online. And I will share the results with you. If I find good products, I will share the information and links with you. If you like that I share my experience with you, please subscribe and like my channel.